Good morning, I'm Tibbs with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. Here's my summary of the key events from overnight. With news, the New Zealand arms of some global companies are shutting down their operations as a precaution against a worldwide ransomware attack. Cadbury New Zealand and DLA Piper's local offices have confirmed they were affected by the malware, which is locking computer data. Global shipping giant Maersk was one of the first major companies to be hit and has taken its communications offline to manage the risk. The Ports of Auckland has told the Herald the problem is the port won't be able to receive information on containers. The virus has spread from the Ukraine to wreak havoc around the globe within the past couple of days. It has disrupted ports from Mumbai to LA, halting production at a chocolate factory in Australia and affecting the US delivery firm FedEx Corp, among others. The European Central Bank is supporting Italy's controversial €17 billion bank bailout announced this week. The move has drawn criticism from various German authorities who have said Italy flouted European Union laws aimed at better protecting taxpayers in the wake of the GFC. Yet the ECB's Vice President has come out saying no rules were broken and no one's been given special treatment. The two Italian banks' senior creditors haven't taken any losses due to the bailout. The Governor of the Bank of Canada says interest rate cuts in 2015 seem to have done their job, raising speculation of a July rate hike. Meanwhile, the Governor of the Bank of England has commented higher rates are likely to become necessary. An early look at US trade patterns in May points to a small decline in the nation's trade deficit. The advanced trade gap in goods fell by 1.8% to $66 billion in May. A lower deficit gives a boost to local GDP. US pending home sales disappointed in May, falling 0.8% month on month, on top of a downwardly revised 1.7% fall in April. This is the third consecutive month of decline, albeit strong levels. ANZ economists say supply constraints could be a factor, but purchasers may also have front-run the most recent rate hike. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield has increased again today to 2.22%. The US crude oil price has moved up to $45 a barrel. The Brent benchmark is just over $47. Gold is stable at $1,249 an ounce. The iron ore price is still making big moves higher. On top of Tuesday's 5.2% jump, yesterday there was another 4.4% rise, meaning the price has risen more than 10% this week and is well above $60 a tonne. Sudden Chinese buying is fueling this new rally. The New Zealand dollar has strengthened to 73.1 US cents. It's inched back to 95.6 Australian cents and remains low at 64.2 euro cents. The TWI index is up to 77.0. I'm Tibbs and thanks for joining us at interest.co.nz.